Mum. Look, oh, don't worry about that. Let's sit down here. Put the baby on my lap and see if Bruce comes down. How you going, baby?
Whoa! He's got some fur.
He does? Some feathers?
He's getting fatter.
Well, I think he's bigger than his mum. I'm worried about his leg being stuck out like that all the time. Come on, baby. Look at that.
He's a big boy, baby.
He is. He is a big baby.
He's getting
How come he's
fatter.
as big as you, Bruce? Hmm? How come he's as big as you?
Tail's bigger.
Oh, yes, his tail's bigger.
And then as long as a baby bird. Oh, look how much he's got some feathers. He's got some fur on his tail. The baby bird finally has got a peanut. Maybe I bring him inside and hold him on my here.
You come, baby.
Maybe we can do that.
No, I think we'll put him back in the box. Leave him alone for a while.
He still goes like this now. And then we can stand up. Stand up. Bro, see you like your peanut? Bro. Bro.
Come on, you my little baby. You like a little baby?
Bro, you can eat it then. And then you like to. Okay, Harry?
You coming down, Bruce?